Candy Girl. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm just gonna show you like this quick little style. It literally takes about 10 minutes tops when your hair is like done, like mine is. Like I don't feel like really redoing this style, so I just want to like do something real quick, but like not nothing too different from what it's already looking like. Because as you can see, I got a big old fro in the back. Okay, so just follow along with me, y'all.
Five hours.
If I can ever get my hair out, oh my gosh. It's annoying. When all else fails and you don't want to rip your hair out of your head, we just go scissors, cut that little baby out. Like that. There we go. Just like that. I'm gonna redo this part right here just to make it a little bit more even, I guess. Oh no, I might have made it worse. Y'all see I'm using these like I'm using these pencils
The ghetto.
because I can't find my rat tail comb, and I haven't been able to find my rat tail comb in a little minute now. So I'm going to take this pencil one more time, and I'm just gonna like take this much and twist out this much. But you see how it's like straight across? I wanted it, my twist gonna go kind of over. So instead of making it go straight down, I'm gonna go like up like that. Girl, you pushing it. Okay, so with this little part, I'm just gonna put a little water on it, kind of like loosen it up a little bit, cause it already has like a little bit of gel already on it. So I'm gonna take this Tangle Teezer brush and just kind of comb it out a little bit, comb some of that gel out. Cause we're about to put some more gel on there, but I just want to lift some of that old gel up out of the way. All right, so now that I have it like down with water, I'm gonna take some design, what is this? Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioning Design Foam. Yes, honey, some of this. I don't even gotta, it's even tell you how much it costs. Oh, Bluebee, hush, sit down. Sit. Excuse him, y'all. He sees stuff and he just don't know. But anyways, it even tells you, I even got the price still on there. It's $14.59. This shit is high as I don't know what. Like, this is expensive for this little bit. I mean, it's not a little bottle, but it's expensive for some mousse. But it's some good stuff, y'all. Like, for real. It's like real good. That's about 3 pumps right there. And I'm gonna put it directly across like the top. Oh, I'm gonna need some more. 3 ain't gonna do it. Kind of like focusing on my edges a little bit, because that's the part I want to kind of like lay down. So now I'm gonna take a brush like this and kind of like push it down a little bit like that. And I'm gonna kind of like, I'm gonna go all the way down, cause. And see, okay, let me tell y'all something about these brushes. I'm gonna do a whole video about these two brushes, okay? This brush is good for detangling. This brush, well, for my hair now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a disclosure, for my hair, this brush is good for detangling. This brush is good for like laying my hair down, like flat. This don't do good for detangling unless my hair is super wet. And it's not super wet right now, so I can't even use this other than to like lay it down. But as far as detangling goes, that's this brush. And if my hair ain't wet enough, some water right here. And we just gonna kind of comb it out, starting from the ends. You know how we do, so I always start from the ends, and then I'm just going to work my way on up. See how easy that was? Yeah. So now that it's kind of like, you know, combed out a little bit, I'm gonna take, I had bought this, I really want the blue one, but the only one they had at Sally's was the white, the clear styling gel. But this is the Wetline Xtreme. Everybody has been talking about it. This is my first time using it, but like I said, I'm not gonna use it for a wash and go yet because I really want to try the blue kind first, and this is the clear kind. So yeah, so I'm gonna take some of this little babies, I'm gonna put it on my hands. That should be about enough, right? Oh, you can't see that because it's clear. Anyways, I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm just gonna slide it across my edges, and then this part of my hair that's gonna be kind of showing in the twist a little bit. So work on the top and kind of just move it on down. And I'm gonna take my smoothing brush and lay my hair down like so. I'm gonna take some water, spray my hair. I always leave like this little piece out because that's not like little curly piece that we're gonna have out, you know. And I'm gonna use my kind of laying down brush that I was telling y'all about to lay this part down. Use some that go back with the design foam and put that right there, like that. Ain't on there, but see the thing is, I just cut the ones that I was gonna use. So, yeah, found one. So we're gonna pray. Let's all pray that I can wrap this around my hair 2 times. Okay, because that's the amount I'm gonna need. I'm gonna do about 2 times. So let's pray. It didn't break, so whew, we in there. All right, now, quickly now, before this side dries, we're gonna just smooth it down one more time because we already got gel on it, so we should be good as far as gel goes. I'm gonna take a little piece out. We're gonna leave, and then I always kind of start from the back and work my way up so it can kind of go down and around. So now I'm just going to 2-strand twist this top little piece down and around. So now we're just gonna twist it all the way around, and then we're gonna take this piece, twist it around the bottom, and we're gonna take it all the way across. And what I always do is I always just kind of snip it up under the hair tie that you already have on the bulk of your hair. So I just kind of like slip it underneath it, so that way I don't have to use a bobby pin. So I snuck it up under there. So there we go. this much. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it ain't a lot. I'm just putting it on that part right there. And then twisting it around my finger. Like so. And then it makes this cute little girl. Like that, like a little spring. Alright, so now the fun part. We're gonna slick these edges down real quick. And guess what? We're gonna use the same gel we've been using. We're gonna use that Wetline Xtreme. This little baby. Ugh. And I'm gonna use this to slick my edges down. This, y'all, like, this little mechanism right here. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's been like the bee's knees, okay? Now I'm just gonna take the comb part and use it to swoop. You know that video Summerella made and she was like swoop? That's what we gotta do. So we gonna swoop, slide it baby. And we gonna swoop, slide it back. And then we gonna swoop, slide it back. That's it. That's how we doing. But this is it, y'all. Like, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did like it, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys actually like this Wetline Xtreme, the clear version. I'm actually like, it's not too bad. Like, I haven't used it for wash and go yet, but I might actually try it because I actually use it. I mean, I actually like it. So try it out in a wash and go video. If you guys want to see that wash and go video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. So I hope you guys like it. You can use it for maybe a work day hairstyle, or if you just need to do your hair super quick because you have an old hairstyle and you don't necessarily want to put a lot of water in your hair. This is the perfect go-to hairstyle. So hit that like, subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.